Hey, what's up, guys? Today I've got this Toyota Corolla behind me, and if your car's acting dead when you turn the keno crank, no click, stick around, because I'm gonna show you exactly where the starter relay and starter fuses are hiding, and how to test them like a pro. Let's dive in. Alright, starting with the 2003 to 2008 Corolla, also known as the E130. First, check under the hood and look at this fuse box. See this little green 30 amp fuse right here? That's your main starter fuse. If this is blown, your starter relay gets zero power. Quick tip, if it's blown and you're in a pinch, borrow the one right next to it. That one's for the amplifier. Just remember, it's a temporary fix. Let's head inside the car. Pop open that little coin tray next to your steering wheel or peek under the dashboard near the pedals. So here's the fuse. Check this 15 amp fuse labeled AM2. This sends power straight to your ignition switch. If it's good, the black wire on the ignition switch will be live at all times. Next, up 2008 to 2013, the E140 model. This one's got two locations. The cabin fuse box is right below the steering wheel. Just pull the front edge to open it up. So here's the fuse. It's the 7.5 amp fuse right here. It is responsible for the starting system and the power outlet. Pop it out and check it. Then, head to the engine bay, near the back right corner closest to the driver. Now check this out. The main starter fuse is this green 30 amp fuse right here. You can try to wiggle it out. Look inside and make sure the metal strip is intact. You can also check this blue 15 amp fuse because it is related to the starting system. Alright, in the 2014 to 2018 Corolla, you need to pop that hood and go to the driver's side fuse box right here under this cover. Just press in on this tab and lift the lid up. Now let's talk fuses. You've got two that matter. First, this big 30 amp fuse, it powers the starter when the relay clicks. And this one right here, the 7.5 amp AM2 fuse feeds the ignition switch, which tells the relay when to fire. See this little purple guy? That's your starter relay. And here's a cool trick: have a buddy turn the key to start, while you give this relay a few taps with a screwdriver handle. Sometimes they stick, and a little jolt gets them working again. If tapping didn't help, pull the relay out. Wiggle it side to side and pop it free. Now here's the hack swap in another relay with the same pin layout. If the car starts now, boom, you've got a bad relay. Now for the modern E210 Corolla from 2019 to 2024. We've got two fuse boxes to check. First, check the underhood fuse box in this location. This is the engine fuse panel on the M20 FKS and 2 ZR5 motors. Now check this out. This right here is your starter relay. If your car is just clicking or doing nothing when you turn the key, this could be the culprit. Try this. Have someone turn the key to start while you give this relay a light tap. Sometimes a stuck relay just needs a little wake-up call. Next up, the starter fuse. It's this green 30 amp fuse right here. You check if it's blown. You'll see the metal strip inside either intact or burnt. Now let's move inside the car. Yep, we're heading to the cabin fuse box. You may need to kneel down and look just left of the driver's footwell to spot it easily. Here's what you're looking for. This is a 7.5 amp mini fuse. This one controls your starter system. If it's blown, your car won't even try to start. Need a replacement? Just ask for a mini 7.5 amp fuse at any auto parts store. They're super common. So that's it. That's how you find and test the starter relay and fuses on your Toyota Corolla. Hit that like button if this saved you time, and drop your questions or tips down in the comments. I read everyone. Catch you in the next one.